Now there's just a few days left until Santa arrives. It's all very, very exciting. We are of course here in Lapland and we've been dying to find out how it all comes together.
Yes, because let's not forget there's a lot of work that goes into every single present. And we were lucky enough to go for a walk in Elf Woods and we met an elf.
A real one.
Oh yeah.
There's just a few more sleeps until Christmas, and with the big day looming, we are dying to find out how it all comes together.
Yes, we are. And with that in mind, we have gone into the forests of Lapland and found one of Santa's elves. This is Juju. Hello, Juju.
Hi, Juju. How are you?
I'm very fine. How are you?
We're good.
Are you going to show us around Santa's workshop?
Oh yes, we have actually a very, very secret and special place that I would really like to show to you.
Well, let's go.
Come on.
Just go Juju, where exactly are we right now?
That's a very good question. Can you keep a secret?
Yes, I think so.
Yes, okay. We are in the Christmas Command Center.
Oh,
And here we make a Christmas happy face.
So this is where all the toys are made?
Well, not here exactly, but nearby. Yes, just under us we have a toy.
Wait, well, can we get a little sneak peek?
Yes, of course. So, have you been kind this year?
I think so.
Relatively.
Pretty
Yeah, I
good.
think so.
Yeah.
Yes, we can actually test it. We have here
Oh.
our kind meter.
Okay, you go first.
Okay. I love my family and I can't wait to buy them lovely presents for Christmas.
Hey, well
Did it go up?
All the way to the top.
Wow.
Fabulous.
Okay, what's next?
This is our one of our post offices.
So does Santa sit here sometimes and look through these letters?
Santas and elves sit here because we elves need to help with Santa. Because every time there's more kids, so of course Santa cannot do it everything by himself, so we help him.
That was great.
Thank you so
Wow.
much, Juju. That was incredible.
I'm happy that you like it.
We loved it.
But remember that you have to keep the secret.
Okay, we will. And good luck this Christmas.
This is thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye. Let's go. That was fun.
It was so much fun.
So what are you getting for Christmas?
I'm not sure. I think I might have to change what I had on my list.
I think I need a new pair of pants.